What is up, you guys? This is Cobra HD, and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your own mouses. So, it involves going to your personalized settings. I know it's a bit fast, but that's quite a simple step. So what first you want to do is go to unsorted cursors. I'll leave that in the description, the link. So you can choose anything, so I'm going to choose this one. And then, should I have this one? I want to download it. Just click download. What we're going to do now is just show in folder. You want to click that button there. You want to go back here. You want to drag it to the desktop. Or minimize, and then what you want to do, you want to go to personalize. Say I want to change this one, so I click on that one. Then I have loads of different ones, so I need to find them. Oh no, I forgot a step, you need to drag it onto here as well. I keep mine all in the same place, that's why I'm just going to keep them kind of together. Yeah, continue. And there we go. We'll click on it, and then if you press apply, you have a new mouse. Pretty cool little thing here. It doesn't, like, when you click something, it doesn't interact with you, but it's still pretty cool stuff. I enjoy this quite a bit, actually. But my one I downloaded from the same website. You have all these different things you can download onto it. So if you wanted to do parts, you can have parts on there if you wanted. Animated. Have whatever you want that's on there. Cursors and pointers. Normally I would go to curse sets, because so you can get the whole curse set, so you get like different cursors. I kind of want that one at the moment. I'll click on that. So it comes with all of these here. It's all quite cool stuff. I love this. You get all kinds of stuff, like, you know. So you just click on it and then say you want that one. That's what it looks like. Then you do the same thing again. I meant to do that, I meant to go show folder. You show it the folder, like you do. And open this up quickly. That one, drag it there. Minimize. And then cancel again. Go to the bottom. And then like this. Drag it. Continue. Click on it. Done. Quite nice stuff, I love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my mouse back to the one that I had before. Because I don't really like this one much. This is the one I have normally. Okay. Done. All kinds of stuff. Easily. Done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell, and smash that like button, and subscribe. Thanks.